Okay, so I'm making this video because there doesn't seem to be hardly any videos or any videos on YouTube that show the wiring for the glowtie here. So I just paid $170 to have GM do this, since it's a GM product. I had them attempt to do this at my dealership, Capital Chevrolet in Salem, Oregon. They don't know how to do it, so I paid $170 and they said, sorry, it doesn't work. So anyway, the wiring harness that comes with this, you just switch the wires. That's all you do. You switch the wires from the white wire to the black wire and the black wire to the white wire. Switch the wires up on the end here that's connected to the glowtie, and you're good to go. So here's the wheel well of a 2017 SS Camaro, and right there is the other end of this wiring harness. There's the side marker. So one goes into the side marker, and then the other goes into the wire that was going into the side marker. Simple as that. Just like that. And then obviously wire it up to the front and snap it in, and you'll be good to go. And I can literally just push the unlock button on the remote here, and there it goes. Push the lock button, back off. Simple as that. Thank you. There it is installed. All I did is remove this plate, not all the way, just enough to where you can get a screwdriver down in here, right in that area right there. You can see the back side of the wires right there that go to it, and that is routed from right here on the side marker right up that way. Just like that.